Today we're going to be discussing Shiba Inu Coin and the Coinbase update that is going to allow us to be able to use our Shiba Inu Coin anywhere in the United States. Let's get into the video. So Shiba Inu Coin is up about 2% today. I really like the price action that we saw today. We'll go over that in the technical analysis, and we're also going to be going over a few really crucial pieces of news on Shiba Inu Coin. So make sure you guys stick around to the end of the video for all that. But I do want to mention really quickly, you can get a free stock with the first link in the description. All you have to do is deposit $1 on public, which is actually what you're looking at right now, and you'll get up to $300 worth of free stock that you can then sell and invest into Shiba Inu Coin and get yourself some free Shib with that first link in the description. And also, I'm sorry that you guys missed out if you missed out on our private Discord 50% off sale, but we do have a new promotion for you guys. If you guys do join our private Discord and you are one of the first 100 Patreons, you're going to be entered into a $100 Bitcoin giveaway. So you're going to have a 1% chance once we have 100 patrons. Right now we have 72 patrons, so once we hit 100 patrons, you're gonna have a 1% chance of getting $100 in Bitcoin. So if you guys want to try your chance at that, go and join our private Discord for our buy and sell alerts. But anyways, let's get back into Shiba Inu Coin. Very good price action today. When I woke up this morning, I was very glad to see we didn't see that kind of dip we've been seeing over and over again in these mornings. It seems like whenever it hits about 7 a.m. where I'm at, we tend to just be on a rock, on a slide down. But then I usually buy at those times, and then we, recover throughout the day. But today was different. We didn't really have much. I mean, we were in the red a bit this morning, about 1% this morning. But now we have recovered very nicely. We're up 2. And at one point today, we were even up in the 5% range. So really like what happened with our price action today. But let's get into a little bit deeper into what's going on with Shib. So if you guys don't know, we do have a Twitter where we post about a lot of Shib and crypto news. So if you guys want to follow us, go ahead and follow us at It's Finance Bro. We're trying to get to 1,000 followers. Help us out with that if you guys can. But yeah, one thing I'd like to mention, Kyle timed perfectly this AVAX call, $57 to $70. Very good call. I've also had a lot of good calls in the past week. Definitely join that private Discord. But yeah, not only that, we do have an Ethereum whale that bought 3.6 trillion Shiba Inu tokens worth $73 million in about an hour. And then also we have that announcement from the Shib metaverse that the Shib metaverse is happening. So that's kind of what's happened in the past couple of days. But now let's go over what happened today that could have helped our price action just a bit. And it's going to be coming from shibarmy.co. If you guys don't know, this is actually a pretty good news source because he knows exactly what's happening all the time. I didn't really know that this guy existed, but just looking back on the articles he has posted, they're actually pretty good. So, and it seems like he's doing it for the Shib Army. So good to see. But yeah, Coinbase, you can now use Shiba Inu for all stores, bills, and just about anything. So I did not even know this was a possibility of happening, but all of a sudden it was announced. Okay, Shib Army, this is pretty exciting news. You can now use Shiba Inu to pay for anything, and I mean anything. As long as Visa is accepted, Coinbase now gives you the option to instantly convert your Shib into buying power. So I'm going to tell you exactly how it works and what you need to do. The catch right now is only people in the United States can use this feature, but they're working on more countries as we speak. So basically, guys, how this works is you get the Coinbase, debit card or whatever it is, and when you want to pay for something, it automatically converts your Shiba Inu coin into USD, and then it is paid for. So you can technically now pay for your groceries, pay for anything you want that is accepted by Visa with your Shiba Inu coin. So that is some really awesome news, guys. This really works for any currency on Coinbase, so it's kind of good for the whole crypto market, but Shiba Inu Coin, we want a lot of utility, and this is a way to give us a little bit more of utility. So just in case you guys want to know how to do it, we are sponsored by Public, first link in the description, get your free stock. But basically you get Coinbase, and then once you're signed up, you order the Coinbase debit card, you wait for the card to arrive. You don't have to actually wait for your card. They do have a virtual card option, so if you're paying for stuff online, you can also pay with Shiba Inu Coin, and then select your main currency as Shib. It will auto deduct from your Shiba balance. So say you have 10 million Shib, which is worth, I don't know, $300 or something. maybe I'm wrong on that. But say you're paying for your groceries at $70. It'll just take, you know, about $3 to $4 million worth of sheep. I don't know if that's real a good math right there. But now here's the catch, but not really. They charge you 2.49% for every transaction, but they give you back 4% in crypto. So you're actually getting paid to shop with your card. That's right. You're going to earn 1.51% interest on every purchase you make. So you do get charged 2.49% for every transaction, but apparently they give you back 4% crypto. I have not confirmed this personally. If they say this is true, I believe him for the most part. I want you to know that I tested this himself. So he did test it himself. I went to the supermarket, bought my groceries for my family with Shib. Then I went to the gas station and filled up my tank with Shib. Finally, I just paid my marketing expenses online with Shib. So you can do all these things with Shiba Inu Coin now. That's a great utility update. Very good for Shiba Inu Coin. And another little piece of news here. Wow, Shiba Inu added to yet another exchange, Economy Exchange. So there seems to be no stopping the growth of Shiba Inu. Today, another exchange announced the pairing of USDT with Shib. Nothing seems to hold down the Shib army, and more companies are realizing this as we continue to await word of the Robinhood listing that may be last to the party. You know, we haven't made a Robinhood video in a while, but I really do think it's coming soon. But anyways, we do have now 65 exchanges and growing. And this is going to be the tweet. New listing on Economy Exchange. Shib token listed pair with USDT is available to trade now. So you can enjoy your trading on Economy Exchange. So yet another exchange listing. I just wanted to bring it up because it's a cool little piece of news. But anyways, let's go over the global crypto market. We're doing actually very good today. We're up to a $1.67 trillion global crypto market, up 2% over the last day. Bitcoin and Ethereum both in the green. Pretty much everything is in the green except for Terra Luna, but they did have some good gains very recently. So Shiba Inu Coin also in the green today, up about 3.5%. Polygon Matic slightly above us just because they've had a better day, up 7%. But anyways, the volume has dipped back below $1 billion, and this kind of makes sense just because the price action we've been seeing kind of leads me to believe that we're not going to be seeing a lot of volume in the next couple of days just because there's not a lot of selling, which is actually a good thing because when this volume was happening, we're having a lot of different sell-offs. So when we were at that $3 billion, you know, who knows where this could have gone? We could have gone even further down, but now that we're seeing less volume, it seems like we are definitely leveling out here, which is okay to see in my book. But anyways, let's go over the technical analysis. So you can see here, we're kind of trading tightly between these two support lines and then this resistance line right here. So we do have a support line at the 20, which held really well last night. I didn't know if it was going to. And then also the 16 is going to be our next support line because obviously we've broken this support at the 20. Today I was very surprised to see Shiba Inu Coin doing so well, you know, staying above that support at the 20. I think we have a good support here at the 20 now. We're starting to make some higher highs and higher lows. So I'm very interested to see where we are when we wake up. And I'll definitely be updating my technical analysis when I wake up in the morning and in my next video that you guys see. But yeah, that's pretty much going to be it for Shib today. Make sure you guys get your free stock with the first link in the description. All you have to do is deposit $1 and you'll get up to $300 worth of free stock. And then also remember, if you do join our private Discord and you're one of the first 100 patrons, you're going to get a chance to win $100 in Bitcoin. So if you guys want to, go ahead and join our private Discord to get our buy and sell alerts. But yeah, make sure you guys subscribe. That's going to be it for this video. My name is Zach, and I hope to see you in the next one.